This is a 66 Ford Mustang hardtop. It's cloned to a Shelby GT350, as you can see. Factory C code 289 two-barrel, matching numbers car.
Give me all the keys, man.
Don't start. Just a good overall driver. Paint is very presentable. Got manual steering, manual brakes, factory console, Magnum 500 wheels. Very presentable interior. Seats are very nice. There's new carpeting in the car and new headliner. Odometer shows 64,000 miles, which is believed to be original. Doors open and close very nicely. It's got good floors, couple small patches. But overall solid. Just a nice driver that could use some TLC to bring it up to the next level.